So, I have a question to ask. In English, what punctuation mark is used to end a statement? Correct! It is called period. What about in mathematics? Yes, we call it a point, especially in geometry. But today, point will play a vital role since it is used to separate whole numbers from decimal numbers. We will call it decimal point. Let me present to you first an example that shows the presence of a decimal point. 17 and 32 hundredths. The numbers found before the point are all whole numbers. And the numbers found after the decimal point are decimal numbers. Decimal point now is represented by the word end. That is why we read it as 17 and 32 hundredths. Why hundredths? Because the place value of the last digit, which is 2, is in the hundredths place. Take note, you have to read the place value of the final digit in the decimal part, except when it comes to currency. We will now identify the place value of the given example. 1,246 and 4,728 ten thousandths. On the left side, or the numbers found before the decimal point, are whole numbers. For whole numbers, the place value starts with ones. We will start identifying the place value with the number closest to the decimal point. So, the place value of 6 is ones, 4 tenths, 2 hundredths, and 1 thousandths. We will now proceed with the decimal numbers, or the numbers found after the decimal point. For decimal numbers, we will start with tenths. The place value of 4 is tenths. 7 hundredths, 2 thousandths, and 8 ten thousandths. We will now read it as 1,246 and 4,728 ten thousandths. Let us try to identify the place value of the underlined digit. Number 1, 376 and 148 thousandths. Correct! The answer is thousandths. Number 2, 4,596 and 59 thousandths. That's right! The answer is hundreds. Number 3, 67 and 3,489 ten thousandths. Good job! The answer is hundredths. Number 4, 388 and 4,965 ten thousandths. Correct! The answer is thousandths. Okay, who got the perfect score? May I see the hands? Congratulations! Now, let's try to read the following. Number 1. Great! You will read it as 96 and 41 hundredths. Number 2. That's right! The answer is 6 and 4,531 ten thousandths. Number 3. Correct! The answer is 563 and 97 thousandths. We will now do the opposite. I will mention it and you write the standard form. Ready? Let's start! 332 and 64 thousandths. You're right! Next, 2 and 21 hundredths. Correct! Last, 18 and 317 ten thousandths. Good job! Well done, kids! We are now heading towards the achievement of our goal today, and that is to add or subtract decimals and mix decimals. In adding or subtracting decimal numbers, it is like adding and subtracting whole numbers. The only difference is that you have to observe the proper alignment of the decimal points according to the given before you can perform the process. Example, 31 and 456 thousandths plus 4 and 31 thousandths plus 2 and 1,637 ten thousandths. To add the given example, first arrange the addends in column considering the place value and of course the alignment of the decimal points. After that, you can perform the addition process. The sum is very good. 37 and 6,507 ten thousandths. Moving on to another example. Find the sum of 2,364 ten thousandths, 2 and 4,523 ten thousandths, and 912 thousandths. The same process will be applied. Arrange the decimal numbers in column considering the place value. And make sure to align the decimal points, then perform the addition process. The answer is correct! 3 and 6,007 ten thousandths. In some cases, we place zeros in the decimal value so the digits are of the same length. Putting zeros would mean that the decimal place has no value. Example, 4 and 51 hundredths plus 1 and 325 ten thousandths. Write zeros in empty decimal place values so that numbers have the same length or decimal places. Then, perform the addition process. The sum is very good. 5 and 5,425 ten thousandths. Another example. 20 and 8,973 ten thousandths minus 10 and 24 hundredths. Arrange the given example in column. Make sure to align properly the place values and the decimal points. Write zeros in empty decimal place values so that the numbers have the same length or decimal places. After doing the first step correctly, you may now do the process of subtracting decimals. And the answer is, good job! 10 and 6,573 ten thousandths. I am sure you are now fully armed with knowledge on adding and subtracting decimals and mixed decimals. That is why I am also ready to give you this task regarding our topic today. Please be ready with your paper and ball pen. You are given 30 seconds to answer. And we will begin in 3, 2, 1. Number 1. 1 and 3,672 ten thousandths plus 1 and 3,534 ten thousandths plus 1 and 2,562 ten thousandths. Good job! The answer is 3 and 9,768 10,000s. Number 2. 2 and 1,356 10,000s plus 3,525 10,000s plus 1 and 4,657 10,000s. The answer is great! 3 and 9,538 10,000s. Number 3. 31 and 2,467 10,000s minus 30 and 1,235 10,000s. You got it right! 1 and 1,232 10,000s. Number 4. 3 and 9,898 10,000s minus 1 and 4,821 10,000s. Correct! The answer is 2 and 5,077 10,000s. Number 5. 9 and 2,178 10,000s minus 3 and 6,599 10,000s. You're right! The answer is 5 and 5,579 10,000s. Alright! Let me see those who got the perfect score. Congratulations! You did a great job today. This is for you. Take note of these few things. In adding and subtracting decimal numbers, please go back to page 7 of your mathematics module. Alright, did you learn something about our lesson today? I hope so. To fully understand it, kindly answer in a separate sheets of paper, pages 9 to 12 of your module. Oh, before saying goodbye, I want you to remember this. The essence of mathematics is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple. By S. Goddard. Goodbye, and keep safe, everyone.